Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of nature. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plants and how they make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. It's an incredible journey that happens right before our eyes, yet it's often overlooked. Photosynthesis is like a magic trick, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own sugary snacks. Imagine turning sunlight into food. How amazing is that? This process is super important because it's how plants create the energy they need to grow and thrive. Without photosynthesis, plants wouldn't be able to survive, and neither would we. And guess what? The oxygen that we breathe? Yep, plants release that as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Pretty cool, right? So, every breath we take is thanks to these amazing green machines. Photosynthesis happens in two main stages. Each stage is crucial for the plant to convert light energy into chemical energy. The first stage uses sunlight to create energy packets, like little batteries. These energy packets are then used in the next stage. The second stage, called the Calvin cycle, is where the real magic happens. This is when the plant takes those energy packets and uses them to create glucose, a type of sugar. Let's take a closer look. The Calvin cycle is a complex series of reactions, but it's essential for the plant's survival and growth. Picture this. The Calvin cycle is like a bustling factory inside a plant cell, working tirelessly to turn carbon dioxide from the air into sugar, the plant's favorite treat. This process is essential for the plant's survival and growth, as it provides the necessary energy and building blocks for various cellular activities. This cycle has three main phases: carbon fixation, reduction, and regeneration. Each phase plays a crucial role in ensuring that the plant can efficiently convert carbon dioxide into a usable form of energy. First up, we have carbon fixation. Imagine a game of capture the flag, but instead of flags, we have carbon dioxide molecules. These molecules are the key players in this phase, and capturing them is the first step in the process. In this phase, a special enzyme called rubisco snatches carbon dioxide from the air and attaches it to a molecule called RuBP. Rubisco is like the star player of the team, ensuring that the carbon dioxide is efficiently captured and utilized. This creates an unstable 6-carbon compound that quickly breaks down into two 3-carbon molecules called 3-PGA. These molecules are the building blocks that will be transformed in the next phase. Next, we move on to the reduction phase, where those 3-PGA molecules get a makeover. This phase is all about transforming these molecules into a more useful form. They receive some high-energy electrons from NADPH and a phosphate group from ATP. These additions are like giving the molecules a burst of energy, making them more reactive and ready for the next steps. Remember those energy packets from the first stage of photosynthesis? This is where they come in handy. The energy stored in these packets is crucial for driving the reactions in the Calvin cycle. With this boost of energy, the 3-PGA molecules are transformed into G3P, a type of sugar that plants can use for energy. This sugar is not only a source of energy, but also a building block for other essential molecules that the plant needs to grow and thrive. Now, let's meet some of the key players in this intricate process. These players are crucial for the Calvin cycle to function smoothly and efficiently. We've got ATP and NADPH, our energy carriers, delivering those essential energy packets to power the reactions. They act like the fuel that keeps the entire process running, ensuring that every step has the energy it needs. Then there's carbon dioxide, the building block for sugars, captured from the atmosphere. This molecule is vital as it provides the carbon atoms that will be transformed into glucose. And of course, we can't forget about RuBP, the carbon dioxide catcher, and Rubisco, the master enzyme that makes it all happen. RuBP captures the carbon dioxide, while Rubisco facilitates the chemical reactions. Think of it like this. ATP and NADPH are like delivery trucks bringing in boxes of energy. They ensure that the factory has a constant supply of power to keep the assembly line moving. Carbon dioxide is like the raw material, and RuBP and Rubisco are the workers assembling everything together. They work in harmony to convert carbon dioxide into glucose, the end product that fuels the plant's growth and energy needs. Section 4. The Big Picture. Calvin cycle's vital role. So why is the Calvin cycle so important? Well, it's the engine that drives the conversion of inorganic carbon dioxide into organic sugars, the building blocks of life. These sugars are what plants use to grow, reproduce, and store energy. And since we rely on plants for food and oxygen, The Calvin cycle is essential for all life on Earth. It's like a giant interconnected web. Plants do their thing, making food and releasing oxygen, and we humans benefit from their hard work. Section 5. Keep exploring the microscopic universe. The Calvin cycle is just one example of the amazing processes happening inside every plant around us. So next time you see a tree or a flower, take a moment to appreciate the microscopic wonders taking place within their leaves. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring the incredible world of science. Bye for now.